In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Miro board. If you're archiving a project, preparing a handoff, or just creating a safety copy, a board backup is the right tool. This download creates a backup file that you can later restore back into Miro. It's not meant to be opened outside Miro, but it's perfect for preserving structure, content, and formatting. Keep in mind that the option to download a backup depends on your plan and permissions. Typically, board owners, co-owners, and certain admins see it in the menu. Let's begin by heading to Miro.com. This takes you to your dashboard where all your boards and recent work live. Make sure you're in the correct account and workspace where your board is stored so you see the right content on the page. You'll know you're in the right place if your usual boards appear in the main area. Now look at the recent board section on the dashboard and locate the board you want to save. When you hover over a board thumbnail, you'll see a three-dot icon often labeled More Actions. Click those three dots to open the full menu for that board. This menu is where Miro places options that affect the board as a whole, such as sharing, duplicating, and in our case, downloading a backup. If you manage multiple teams or projects, it can help to glance at the small labels on the card so you're sure you're selecting the correct one. From that menu, choose Download Board Backup. As soon as you click, Miro prepares the file and your browser begins downloading it to your default downloads location. Large boards with lots of images, documents, or widgets can take a little longer, so give it a moment and avoid closing the tab while it processes. Once it's finished, you'll have a backup file saved locally. The file name usually includes the board title and a timestamp, which makes it easier to keep track of versions. Store it somewhere secure, especially if the board contains sensitive content, because anyone who can restore that backup in Miro would gain access to its contents. That's all there is to it. Go to Miro, open the More Actions menu on your board from recent boards, and click Download Board Backup. If you don't see the option, it's usually due to plan limitations or access level. In that case, check that you're the board owner or have the necessary permissions, or reach out to your workspace admin to confirm availability. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to download a Miro board safely and confidently.